Hi everybody, I'm Amanda Binks. Today I'm showing you how to make my recipe for ham and asparagus crustless quiche. This is somewhere between a quiche and a frittata. It's missing the bottom pie crust that we would usually find in a quiche, and we're skipping the stovetop steps needed to make a frittata, so this recipe is very easy. This is a quick and easy egg recipe. It's scrambled eggs poured over chopped asparagus, ham and cheese, and baked. That's it. I've served this crustless quiche for breakfast with a side of fruit salad, and I've also served this with a big green leaf salad for dinner. It's good any time of day. We're skipping the pie crust in this quiche recipe, so this dish is simple to make and it's packed with protein and low in carbs. Let's get started. To a large bowl, add 6 large eggs. Whisk them together until they're well scrambled. Next, we'll be adding a 1/4 cup of milk. I usually use whole milk for this, but you could use any type of milk or milk alternative that you prefer. Add an 1/8 teaspoon of pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk it together until it's well combined. Add 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and 4 ounces of chopped ham. This is about 1/2 cup of ham. Sometimes I'll take a shortcut and buy the prepackaged ham that's already been chopped up. Spray a 9-inch pie plate with cooking spray. Pour the egg mixture into the pie plate. Push the ham and cheese around in the pie plate to make sure it's evenly distributed throughout the dish. Next, take a cup of asparagus that's been chopped into 2 to 3-inch pieces and spread the asparagus out evenly over the top of the egg mixture. Bake uncovered in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes or until the center is set. Let the quiche cool for a few minutes before slicing into it and serving it. I really like this recipe when I can find pencil-thin asparagus. The thinner the asparagus, the easier it will be to slice the quiche. But as you can see, the thick asparagus will work perfectly fine. This is a versatile recipe that can be served for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Give this recipe a try, I'm sure you're gonna love it. Be sure to follow me for more great recipes. Thanks for watching.